Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Travel and Explore. I'm excited to kick off this trip. Huge thanks to Shobha Realty for sponsoring the trip. In this video, I'll be giving you a full tour of my room and the hotel, so stay tuned. The reception and the lounge area are located on the 7th floor, and the reception area itself looks incredibly classy and futuristic. This deluxe city view room spans 474 square feet. It features an ironing board, a locker room with ample of storage space, an open bathtub, cozy dressing area, a separate shower and WC area. This room is spacious, comfortable, and elegant. A bar area, complimentary chocolates and cookies, an espresso machine, and a mini fridge. To top it off, you will enjoy a breathtaking views of the Dubai Canal and Sheikh Zayed Road. The outdoor pool and Vishisha lounge are both located on the 7th floor. I'm on the 44th floor of the Hilton Hotel. V Hotel and Hilton Hotels are interconnected, and V Hotel is the part of the Hilton group. Up here, you will find several lounges and a sports bar, offering not only great vibes but also breathtaking views of downtown Dubai, the iconic Burj Khalifa, and the Dubai Canal. Some night view clips of the hotel, showcasing its elegant ambience and beautifully lit surroundings, a perfect setting for a relaxing and a memorable stay. Just a quick note, this hotel is pet friendly and offers a free shuttle service to and from the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and an exclusive private beach access point, making your stay even more convenient.